Hello, hello, hello. Well, Dimitri.
Hey,
Oh man. I tried. Okay, we're on our meeting number two, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Um, I I converted the file and then I played it back, but I had that initial clip on my desk. Well, I'll worry about that later. Okay. Uh,
There's
it appears.
I
Go
think
ahead.
there's an application for that, maybe Windows Maker or the Windows app that's built in.
Yeah.
I'll send it to you.
Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Well, we can do it in part one and part two. Okay.
Yep.
We're on part two. Hey. I like it. Okay. Okay.
Can I
Go
was
ahead.
just can you blow up the 30-minute for the S&P, the one you have on the bottom left corner?
Uh, Down here.
No,
Corner.
no, the other on the other side.
On the other side.
Down, 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 down.
This
Yeah,
one.
that one. Can
The
we
30
blow that
minute.
up? Yeah, the 30-minute.
Okay. Roll it up. There we go. Okay. Wow. Look at that go.
So I had a question here. You
Yeah.
see
Go
where
ahead.
you have the two red lines up and down,
Yeah.
and then it sort of goes up. It's trying to break up, and then it goes back down, and then goes
Okay.
back
Good
up
point.
and back down again, and finally it
Y-
goes up. So there's a lot of no, a lot of sort of fake outs.
Okay. Uh, Again, you have to go to the more dependable time frames. That's why you have to keep them all open. And I, the one I wanted is not here now. Hold on. That's the question. Where's the one there? I had it up here. There's another time frame, Dimitri, that I actually did the trade because, yeah, sometimes that will happen. Okay. And well, that was back on Sunday, so that doesn't really. Today's Tuesday, so that's in the past. What happened a day ago or 2 days ago, you let that go and you start from day one. And what I did, well, that was an example. Yeah, it dipped. Yeah, that's a fake out. But the one I actually did, if I can bring it up here, uh, can you see a Telegram on Zoom here? I brought it up.
I cannot see Telegram.
Oh, they only do one stream at a time here. Okay, well, hold on. I'll show you the one I did. Again, that was back the other week, so I'm not going to worry about it. The one I concentrated on was the 20-minute time frame, which broke the band clearly, and that's the one I chose today. 20-minute time frame. Let me check. 20-minute time. Where's the 20-minute time frame? Okay, right here. Let's go. 20-minute time frame. So we have 20 minutes. Ah, 20 minutes. Okay, wait, 20. Let's go 20. Okay, today is a brand new day. What happened the other week, you can't really use that. That was only an example. The one I did today was this one here. Okay. You want to pick out the most reliable, clearest setup. This is the one we have here today. You have, again, today's what, Tuesday? I'm using the one on Tuesday and not the one on Sunday or Friday. So when you do a setup here, okay, that's the one you want to keep. Let me,
So you went long on this trade?
yeah, I put down a telegram because I found this one here. Okay. And I did a short And again, you do the trade right here. Okay, so it goes above the band. That's when you do the trade, and that's when we went long. So we went
Are,
long at four. Yeah,
are
go
you
ahead.
still in the trade? What is
Yeah,
your target?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah. Because nothing is appearing up here.
Okay.
So I'm assuming the trend will be up. We're up 23 points. Okay. I'm not nothing here on a 15-minute time frame. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay. If nothing is appearing, that means uh, that trend will probably not be disrupted. And I'll even look at the 5-minute time frame here, and I really don't see anything stopping this. Uh, well, we could have a little caution. Well, no. Is there anything going on here? No. So the trend will continue up until we find something up here that's going to appear as a decaying fractal as a top. As of the moment right now, we really don't have anything. So the trend will continue up until we find another decaying top. Okay. Whoops. Okay, we got something here. Hang on. Okay. Now, this is only a 5-minute time frame. And this is the trade we have. Okay. Okay, we have a slider here, Dimitri. Right here. Okay. Come on. We have market up front. Okay, we have a slider here.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. You have a slider down and you have a slider up. Okay, that's a slider. And what we're going to have to do, patiently wait. You're doing a setup here. Okay. This is a typical growth fractal, meaning the trend will be up. Now, if we break above the top of the fractal there, okay, it will continue to go up. All right. We're using swing 5 minutes with the 20 minute. Okay. If the 5-minute fractal goes up, that is confirming the fractal here will continue to go up too. You see what I'm saying?
What constitutes a break? Is it the closing period has to close above that range?
We're doing daily, we're doing minute by minute here. So if we break this like right now, okay, the trend will continue to go up.
But
We're-
right, but what I'm saying is the line chart closes every 5 minutes, so theoretically it could go up on the 3 minute mark and then go right back down and then close below it.
You would keep your eye on the 3-minute one too. I don't,
Hmm.
the 3-minute is a straight line up. The line up is not fractal. Can't do anything with that.
Right.
So we have to assume that uh, the market bottom here and the trend will continue to go up. Uh, but the fact remains, if we went long at 48.03 and we're at 48.16. Okay, we got 13 points. Okay, I'm happy. So I really don't care if it's foreign. So again, you have to have a system. You take your 5, you take your 10, and you're out, and you wait for another setup. Because possibly, yeah, we could fail and go back down here again. As of right now, we're going up. But if you have a good profit here, I would leave it alone.
Right.
Now, if we break the bottom here, yeah, it's time to get out. Okay, so the 5-minute time frame is telling you what to do on a 20-minute time frame. So,
So
yep,
so is your stop right now like 48.13 roughly?
exactly. You got it. Yep, there you go. That would be, yeah, that would, you definitely would have a trend going down at 48.12, okay, which would be about here. So if you did the 20-minute trade, yeah, that would be a pretty strong stop because if it breaks here, it's going to break here. Okay, so you would equate 48.13 over here, 48.13. That's your stop. Okay, So if you went long at 04, okay, you got a good stop at 48.13 up here. Okay, so you would have to watch the 5 minute time frame with the 20 minute time frame. So you're swinging back and forth from the 5 to the 20. That's very good. You got it. Okay, I would do it. Yeah. See,
I
now, go ahead.
I think I know the answer, but what is the main reason that you use line charts instead of, the bar charts or candlesticks?
A candlestick is not it's not a fractured it's not fractured. Um, fractals are well, fractal would be, yeah, it has to be jagged. It has to have roughness to it. Okay.
Hmm.
Candlestick and bar stuff, there's no roughness to it. You need uh, fractal has to be rough. You need that jagged formation, and that's what a fractal is all about. So um, some people use that. I never had any luck with that, personally. I always, I begin with a line chart and I stay with it because you need the roughness. Okay, you need the regular, ups and downs, up and down. That's what a fractal is all about. So I don't use the candlesticks. Do you?
I mean, in my previous trading, yeah, I would use the candlesticks or bar charts. But
Do
what
they
I
work
find
out for
interesting,
you?
no, not really.
See, there you go. Well, no, I'm not being a wise guy here, but
Right, right, right.
you need it's got to be jagged. It's got to be jagged.
What I
And
find interesting about the line chart is that at the end of every period, you just have the closing price, whereas in the bar charts and candlesticks, you have, open, high, low, close. So you have like four data points versus one.
Mhm.
So that's interesting because I guess, I mean, the line chart is a lot cleaner because of that, because it's just one data point, the closing price at the end of the time period.
In day trading, that's all I'm concerned about
Right,
at the
right.
moment, and that's why I stay with the line chart. Now here on the 5 minute chart here, okay, yeah, we might. I would want to, like, we break 48.12 here. Yeah, I would want to get out of the long trade because this is telling me that the trend's going to be down after we break 48.13. Again, it's all probability too.
Right.
Um, but it'll give you a good indication of what may happen. It's all probability. What may happen. Ideally, this is a good bottom fractal. It could still continue to go up here too.
Yep.
So if you went along here, you probably want to stay along with the trade until you broke the point down here. Then then you would be going down. So again, you're going from one time frame to another time frame to another time frame until you find a particular fractal within the fractal set. You find a fractal, you draw it to setup, and it's telling you, well, it may go here, it may go the other way. You don't know until until you break that band. Okay. Now sometimes you may have an overthrow. So if you can risk oh, that's only a point. Uh, but if we break the band here, well, let's find out what happens there. Look, 413. Okay, so 413. So what you want to do, you want to go over here. Where's 413? Okay. Okay, if we break 413 over here, I would be out. Because uh, 413 over here is going to break down. So you're using a 5 minute time frame to kind of guide you on the 20 minute time frame. Let's see what happens there.
So would you have a stop at like four at 4 8 13, or would it be like a point lower?
Oh, you can do a point lower. It's okay. See, now it's breaking. So I would be out of the trade. Period. Then again, it could be head fake. It could dip a little and go back up again. But
Yep.
why even worry about it if you got a good profit over here? Okay, so we did the right thing. So the fractals can define the amount of risk that you want to take. Well, you know that. Well, maybe not, but now, yeah, you can kind of define the risk. And this 5 minute fractal here is saying, well, it's kind of failing. It didn't continue to go up, and then you have a straight line down. That's pretty ominous. So you would keep your eye on here. And if it's bouncing around 13, yeah, I would be out of the trade here on a 20-minute time frame. Let it go. The other time frames, again, we have a straight line down. A straight line is not a fractal. We can't help you. But
So
this
is
one
that a
here,
slider top? Is that a slider top on the 20 minutes now?
that's really kind of pushing it. Uh, The leg here on the bottom and the leg up on top should be about equal, like here on the 5 minute
Okay.
time frame. Okay,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I kind of yeah, that's a push. I don't know. That if you want, that could be considered a semi-quasi fractal. Yeah, kind of. You get the slider there, but the leg on the bottom longer than the leg on top. Maybe uh, you're kind of gambling there. But I would stay with something like that where you have the clearest pattern and the clearest form, and I think that'll guide you a lot better. Do we have anything else going on here, cooking? No. Well, all right. I'm uh, I'm saying this is going to be a top because uh, I would be out of the trade because what we have here, we have another particular fractal. Okay, right here. Now, where do I find these? Okay, we find them every day on a 1 minute chart. Neil will post them, and this is a decaying fractal top, which is telling us that if we remain below here, the trend will be lower, right? So this is telling me beware on the 5 minute time frame. Swing to the 5 minute time frame. Beware. It's kind of failing here. It's offering the possibility that we may have a correction. So right now we're in a wait mode situation. We break above here on 15 minutes. That would be a reversal up. Right? Uh, the 15-minute time frame is saying caution. The 5 minute time frame is saying caution. Okay, I got a profit on a 20-minute time frame. I'm going to take it. Now you can play the 50-minute time frame too. Okay, you can short here at 13, put a stop at 16. You could do that. You're defining a 3 point risk on a downside. If you're willing to take the 3 point risk on the 15M setup, you can take it. What's going to happen down here? Again, we have to look at the other time frames. We break the bottom here, definitely going back down again. So right now, the 15 fractal and the 5 minute fractal caution, caution. I would definitely be out because this is very typical. You'll see this every day. Yeah, that's the top flipping decaying fractal. So I would be out. Okay, which is bouncing around here. But yeah, I would definitely be out there. So that's the reason why you have to go from time frame to time frame, and that'll kind of guide you to what's going on. Yeah. And actually, that's the key to the fractal swing system that I developed. It took me about 10 years to figure this out, but you got to hear it in a nutshell. Look what's happening.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
48 load, there you go. And we got stopped out there on a nice profit at 13. Now, isn't that beautiful?
yeah.
Now, every day isn't like this. Okay. Well, actually, it is. If you keep going from hour to hour, day to day, you'll get the swings. And,
How many markets do you track?
oh, only one. I don't, I don't have that much time. Uh, you have to focus, every minute on every time frame. Uh, Now Neil, he'll cover a lot of markets. He's pretty good at Bitcoin, and he'll give a general opinion on a lot of markets. But if you're actually trading, okay, um, you want to stay on one market. Now, if you can't find anything clear and distinct, for example, on a micro, okay, I may move to the ES, or I may move to the Dow. If I don't see anything, I'll move to the Russell. Um, if I don't see anything on a micro, yeah, you can move around market to market. Look at that. That was perfect. I mean, really. And that's everything in a nutshell, really. And the key is to recognize the fractals, number one. Number two, you do a setup. Number three, you wait for the bands. And then number four, you keep your eye and become vigilant on the other time frames because they're going to give you warnings. Okay, if you started here, you would have a missed profit. Now, the 15-minute time frame, okay, is guided by the 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute time frame is failing as a slider bottom. It broke the bottom, it's going down. So the 5-minute time frame is confirming the downtrend and top on the 15-minute time frame. You got a lot of information there, Dimitri. Look at that. I mean, really. Now, the other time frames, again, oh, I'm looking at the micro time frame here too, but you have to look at the macro time grid too. These are the longer time frames. Now, as I mentioned before, the longer time frames, you're not going to see the fractals all that clearly all the time here. Um, do I see anything here offhand? I'll take a look here. Um, okay, nothing here, nothing here. Well, that's a push. No, I would leave that alone. Nothing here. Um, nothing here. Well, maybe we'll go back to that in a minute. Do we have anything here? Um, no, we don't have anything here. Okay, over here on the long term front, we don't have anything here. Do we have anything here? No, we have a line. We have a line. We have a line. Uh, we have a line. Nothing there. The only possibility that we may, is pretty familiar too. So these two time frames on a longer time frame. Hold on. Let me get this. All right. Um, I would keep my eye open on the longer time frame on these two here. These two are pretty familiar. Okay. If we hold around here, and if we hold around here, these two would be decaying top right around 41, 48, 18. That is giving me a warning on the bigger picture that things are popping out here. We had a triangle here with Elliott on the fourth wave. We have the final wave up. We have 5 waves. So for the time being, uh, I would think 4113, somewhere around here. Uh, uh, we're gonna have a popping pattern. So, so what I'm saying, yeah, I would definitely be out of trade. I'm looking at the long-term picture, going back to the shorter term picture. So you're flipping between the micro and macro, and you're looking at which one were we looking at? The 20 minutes? Oh, we're looking at the 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, the 5 minutes is still breaking, and that was helping us with the 20. Were we on 20-minute time frame? No, we were on the 10-minute time frame. I forgot which time frame we were on. Um, the three, nothing on a three. Well, we're looking at the 5-minute time frame. That failed as a top. It's going down. Our original trade, I don't remember what was the original trade at. Oh, the 15-minute time frame? I don't remember now. Well, in any event, I'm out of the trade. Look, we went to 48.10. We wanted to get out at 48.13, I believe. That's pretty much the top. It failed there, and both the bands going down. So we did a trade going up, and we got out, and we got a nice profit. Oh, it's this one here. That's one we were looking at. Okay. Okay. So we got out at 40, 48.13 because 48.13 broke here. So 5M is telling us, get out of 20M. As of now, uh, it's only 12 o'clock. A lot can happen too. So I would definitely be out. So again, you simply find your fractal. Okay, it's a setup. You don't know what's going to happen yet until you break the band on the top or you break the band on the bottom. And you use your other time frames to guide you with the other time frame. So we got a swing between 5 and 20, and it looks like it's going down. Okay, until something else appears here, and something else appears here. We don't know. But the trading objective, again, is to get to 5 or 10 points and let it go. Okay, because the fractals are evolving all day long. From 2 o'clock, we could have another fractal, another setup. We draw the band and we execute the trade. Now, Neil here, he said you got a 15-minute pop on the ES, and we have a 15-minute pop on the ES. It's a standalone fractal. If we look at the 15M, where's the 15M? Now they're going to vary low. Oh, he picked out the same one I did. Remember, okay, he's doing that on a big contract, and I'm doing it in a small contract. So he's picking out the same tops I am, which is kind of helpful if you have another set of eyes. And if he's confirming what I'm confirming, we have a double confirmation. Yeah, it's still going out. There we go. Okay, what else do we have? Is there a chat? Can you chat on Zoom here?
Yes, you can.
Wait, I'm just going to do that and see if I. Oh, there. But that gets in the way of things. You can't. No, it doesn't sound a good idea. Welcome participants share. I'm learning this. What is remote control? What does that do? Remote control. Do you have any idea? Remote control? I don't know. Who cares? Okay. Oh, well, we're going down. Look, see. Now the target initially, again, would be down here, but again, we don't know what's going to happen here. So uh, we broke the band here. Okay. So I think you got everything in a nutshell here, Dimitri. And the key to the fractals, you do them every day, and you see the fractals, and you act accordingly. And the more you do it, the more you trade every day, like I do every hour. You can really get up in the morning, look at your monitor, and look, you got a turn. The fractals only give you a turn. That's all they do. Okay. Um, uh, Running out of time. Why are they doing that? How much would it cost to upgrade? Do you have any idea? Okay. I think we're out of time again, Dimitri. Can you hear me? Now, you're not gonna let us talk.
Sorry, Hank.
Okay.
Sorry, I got another call. I had to mute myself.
Oh, I thought we got disconnected. Okay,
No, no, no. Can I
go
ask you a
ahead.
question?
Yeah, yeah.
So, when it comes to fractals, I have a question. Like, obviously, you're scanning the markets and you're going between different time frames, right?
Hmm.
Have you ever used any sort of like automated tool that kind of scans the market for you and might give you like, hey, here's a slide or whatever, a
Well,
fractal.
yeah, I had a fractal program. We did that about, um, when I had my original website. I had a programmer who created a program, and we couldn't get all the fractals. Well, he's gone, and I had to shut down the site, but we did. Yeah, it's possible to do it with software, but it takes a lot of effort. Elliott Wave has a software program there too. Yeah, you can do that. I got to a point now where I could probably write a program that could scan all the market, but who's going to do that for me? Um, I could do that, but it's going to. Oh, I mean, that's going to take Dr. Sun. He was from MIT, and he developed a program, and he had algorithms against all kind of stuff. Excuse me. It's possible, but it would be a rigorous, time-consuming affair. If I meet a program in my travels, yeah, I'll ask around. But again, nothing beats a machine like a mind. Sometimes the machine does do that, but that is a good idea. Yeah, but find a programmer who could do that. Um, yeah, let me know. I'll be willing to share it. Because actually, there's a distinct fractal set about maybe 32 really good, dependable patterns. When they appear, yeah, it's very conceivable you can do that. Okay, but I haven't found a programmer. Well, I haven't been looking for a programmer, but that can be done. Yeah, I think I'm at the point now where I can point out, well, this looks pretty good. I don't know about that. Uh, Bad one, good one. Yeah, I can do that. Actually, that's probably um, that's in the back of my mind. But right now, I'm writing a book on this. I'm doing videos on YouTube and Twitter. I'm creating a video series on a swing system. So I'm pretty busy on those projects there. But if you know of any programmer who wants to do this, yeah, let me know. I'll share it with you.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
oh,
what I'm thinking
yeah,
is,
go ahead.
in terms of the markets, you might have, like hundreds and hundreds of stocks. Yeah, like even just as a screening tool, you'll never look at like 100 or 1,000, stocks at
Yeah,
the same
yeah,
time.
yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, and another fact too. If I don't see a clear a fractal on one instrument or stock or market, yeah, the software could scan everything, like globally, and guaranteed, it will find the fractal for a setup and for a trade. Oh, yeah, I agree with you 100%. But who's going to do it? Oh, so that's the problem I have. Well, you're an IT guy, right?
Yeah, yeah, I am.
Okay. I can give you the patterns and write a program. I'll split it with you.
I think that would be a cool idea. Just because I think there's probably so many opportunities to find almost, I don't want to say the perfect fractal, but something that
Pretty
looks
close
really
to it.
good, really,
Yeah.
yeah, really close to it. And it would be just interesting to see,
Well, yeah.
also to see it and maybe
Yeah, in
statistics.
any
Yeah.
market on any time frame, can you imagine the possibilities that would actually, be uh, before your eyes? I mean, this is happening like every minute, every hour, every market, everywhere. Yeah, and if I had a machine to do that, oh, yeah, I would have the perfect, well, almost perfect training, or a good training. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. 100%. I mean, look what we're doing here, and imagine if we can, if I could do that on all the markets, all the stocks in the world, anywhere on any currency, FX, indices, anything during the day. If a machine could do that, there would be a clear trade. Yeah, yeah. But who's going to do that? So I'm just kind of perfecting what I'm doing here currently, and I'm working on
Right.
a video series and like an ebook and stuff, and I'm just kind of perfecting my craft, pretty much. And well, I teach a lot too, so I'm kind of busy with that. So I'm pretty busy guy. I have Neil from London. He'll scan all the different markets too. You can go to his channel. He's pretty good at Bitcoin. He's pretty good at currencies, FX, and he, he covers a lot of markets. So I can give examples to people how you can do this. But again, I'm just uh, have enough time to do what I'm doing now. Uh, I don't get too much sleep, so I'm
Right.
glad about that. But I think today you got a pretty good idea of how this works. And
Yeah, absolutely. Thank
okay,
you.
okay, and the key is the more you practice, like anything else in life, the better you get at it. And but I think I gave you the core elements to what I'm doing now. The fractals will define your risk. You'll know immediately if you're wrong or right. Yeah, that's pretty important to trading. Okay, either short term or long term. Okay, long term, I think we're still bearish. We're going to have a pop and drop within a week or two. In January, definitely, I think so. I don't think we're in a bull market here because of that New York composite top hasn't been holding. So in the meantime, we have these little bull and bear setups all day long on all the markets. So it really doesn't matter what the market does because a lot of people are getting it right. Some get it wrong. Now, some people, they're lucky, but the whole idea here is to have a quantified system, qualified system that that's produced and it seems to work. And a lot of people like it, so I'm just going to stay with it. But okay, we got out 48-13 there, so that was a good trade. So we got one going up, and if you wanted to short, when we were talking, yeah, you could have done that. You would have grabbed a few points going down here too. How far? We don't know until we hit that bottom band here. Then we hold on to the trade. In the meantime, we swing from time frame to give us a clue on what's going to happen. Right. So today was a pretty good um, demonstration of how this works. And I think you picked up the concept here. You think?
I'm starting to definitely. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, good, good. Okay. So what time is it now? Okay. My emails are piling up here.